I rise in the House today to pay tribute to a great Canadian and one of the true heroes of the Sikh community in my riding of Mississauga, Brampton South. Private Buckham Singh is one of only 10 Sikh Canadian soldiers to have fought with a Canadian regiment during the First World War. Private Singh's story had been forgotten over time until his victory medal was discovered in a thrift shop by Sandeep Singh Brar of Brampton. Through Mr. Brar's hard work, he was able to help piece together Private Singh's story and trace it to the gravesite in Kitchener, where he is the only known Sikh Canadian soldier from either the First or Second World War to be buried on Canadian soil. Private Singh has rightly become a part of our Canadian military history, and his story should be told, of yet another example of the courageous women and men in our armed forces who stood up to defend the freedoms Canadians are so blessed to have. I hope everyone in the House today will join with me in saluting Private Singh and his sacrifice and bravery, lest we forget. Hear, hear.